Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hi everyone, I Deepani Bhardwaj welcome you all again, and today we are going to have discussion on IPS PO 20 days study plan. See, our exam is already about to come, that is it is on the verge of coming, that is its date is 3rd of October. Therefore, I have planned the strategy for 28 days, that is from today itself till 1st of October. Fine. I have done this because on the last few days or before the last few days of the examination, students are in the situation of dilemma that what to study and what to not. Yeah, they also have the problem that how to make the plan. Fine. So we'll be discussing each and everything regarding that. So let's start with our topic. First of all, IBPS PO. We already know that the prelims examination of IBPS PO is scheduled on 3rd of October, 10th of October and 11th of October. And the mains examination is scheduled on 28th November 2020. So we exactly have a month timing for a preparation. Therefore, we have to be ready on all the ways we can. So today we will be discussing the plan of these 30 days. That is, I'll rather say it would be of 28 days because 2 days we'll be needing to brush up or to boost ourselves, isn't it? So today we will be discussing the plan of these 28 days so that we will be ready with our whole strength on the day of examination. So first of all, we'll discuss about IPS PO Pre Pattern. See, as you already know that there is a sectional timing. It is very important point. The thing is that you will be given individual sections with the timing. It's not like other examination like SSC and all where you can attempt any of the section at any of the time. But here for English section you are having 20 minutes of time. Similarly for quant also 20 minutes of time is allotted, and for reasoning also 20 minutes of time is allotted. That is individually 20 minutes of time is allotted, and overall there is 60 minutes of time. Fine. Talking about English, there will be total number of 30 questions and the maximum marks would also be 30. For the quant section, total number of questions would be 35 and the maximum marks would also be 35. Similarly, for the reasoning section, there are 35 questions and 35 marks. Therefore, you can see that there are total 100 questions and those will be of 100 marks. Now, marks of prelims will not be used in the final selection. It is again important point. See, these prelims marks are just acting as a gateway. Therefore, it will not be applicable in your final selection. It is just opening your gate for your mains exam. That is, it will act as your entrance in the mains examination. Fine. So, it is just of qualifying nature. So, this was IPS PO Pre Pattern. Now, talking about previous year's analysis. See, before starting your or before planning these 28 days strategy, I'll say that please go through previous year's paper because this previous year paper is going to help you a lot. How it will be helping you? You will be able to know about the topics, what is the weightage of each topic, what is the level of the examination, and what is the pattern that is going on. You will be aware from previous year's analysis. Apart from that, at entry application also we are giving each and everything that is needed by you. That is, no matter it is mock test, no matter it is the crash course, we are giving each and everything for you. So please go through it. Now, previous year's cutoff. Again, this is also important because the sectional and overall cutoffs will help you in setting up your targets. See, to set up your target, it is very important, no matter it is for the examination or it is for your life. We must always have a target so that we can keep on giving our best accordingly, isn't it? So by seeing the previous year's cutoff, you will be able to keep up your benchmark so that you can keep on preparing accordingly. See, these cutoffs are given on the entry applications. Fine. We have also made the video regarding that, so you can follow the YouTube's video or you can go through entry application to get to know what is the previous year's cutoff of these examinations. So these previous cutoff will give you the idea of minimum safe attempt, that minimum this much marks I have to attain to be safe, and maximum how much marks I can get. See, I have already told you this paper is of qualifying nature, so please prepare accordingly because our main target would be for the mains examination and all. Fine. So please do remember what was the previous year's cutoff, and not only overall cutoff but also the sectional cutoff, because individual sections are also need to be cleared. Fine. Now, talking about practice, everyone knows practice makes men perfect, but this time we are having just 28 days of time. So you will be doing what I have told you, or I have given a schedule, that is for quantitative aptitude you have to give minimum, this is the minimum timing, maximum depends upon you. Minimum timing for the quant section should be of 2 to 3 hours of practice is required on the daily basis. For the reasoning, again 2 to 3 hours. For English, 1 to 2 hours, and mock test is to be given on the daily basis, and minimum 2 hours are to be given. So these are the minimum timings. Maximum depends upon you. Fine. So please get to know what all are your weak and strong points so that you can give your best accordingly. And how you'll be getting weak and strong points? You have to give mock test. Fine. And these mock tests are available on our application. Please go through that so that you can get to know that where are you going to be weak or where you are going to be strong. I'm not saying we are going to be weak. I mean where you are weak so that your weak points get into the strong points. Fine. Now we'll discuss about the study plan. Now study plan is very important because we are unaware that how can we follow this particular plan, what all topics are to be studied. So I have included each and every topic here. So if you will follow this plan, you will be able to use each and every topic, or you will be able to practice each and every topic. So for the day one, we have kept in English sentence arrangement, in reasoning sequences, and in quant number system. And one thing that I have not mentioned is you have to give the tests on the daily basis. As we discussed previously, that for test also you have to take minimum 2 hours of time. So these four things you will be doing on the daily basis, and I have prepared the plan for you. So you can follow this plan or can change topics accordingly, but all these topics are important, so do not skip them. But yeah, according to these 28 days, please follow this timetable very strictly. It is very important. On the next day, you will be in the English section, you will be going for completion. For reasoning, you will be going through number pattern. For quant, percentage. Similarly, on the day 3, error correction, arrangements, ratio and proportion. On the day 4, sentence improvement, blood relation, fractions. On the day 5, passage completion, direction and distances, decimals. On the day 6, gerunds, family tree, simplification. On the day 7, sentence joining, coding, decoding, SCF and LCM. Now day 8. For the day 8, in the English section, this is reasoning and this is maths. For the English section, you have to go for errors identification. In the reasoning, you will be going for order ranking. For maths, you will be going on simple interest. Similarly, on day 9, synonyms, antonyms, seating arrangement and compound interest. On day 10, articles, circular seating arrangement, profit and loss. On day 11, tense, linear seating arrangement, trigonometry. On day 12, prepositions, scheduling, geometry. On day 13, adjectives, classification, letter based, algebra. On the day 14th, noun, GK based classification, work and time. Similarly, on the day 15, for English you are having topic, active and passive voice. For reasoning you are having alphabet series, and for maths or quant section you are having mixtures and delegations. For day 16, idioms and phrases, number series, series and sequences. On day 17, substitution, mixed series, permutation and combination. For the day 18, any of the miscellaneous topics, analytical reasoning, measures of central tendency and variation. On day 19, para jumbles, data sufficiency and probability. On day 20, prefix and suffix, coded inequality, DI. On day 21, close test, input output, search and indices. Now coming on from day 22 to day 28, that is the last week's plan. On the day 22, for the English section, you will be having homophones. For reasoning section, you will be doing coding decoding. And in the math section, you will be doing quadratic equations. On day 23rd, miscellaneous topics, assertion reasoning, linear equation. On day 24, error spotting, tabulation, train board and streams. On day 25, conjunctions, statement, argument and assumptions, mensuration. On day 26, plural forms, box and floor puzzles, problem on edges. On day 27th, vocab, syllogs, pipes and systems. And on the 20th day, that is your 1st of October, you will be having direct and indirect speech, series and progression, and data sufficiency. Fine. So what you will be doing, you can take only the important questions from this. You need not solve each and every thick books, because you are being given a single day for 3 subjects. So you will be doing what? You can take the important questions, or rather I'll say you can take the previous year questions, so that you will be able to practice each and every type of question which is asked in the examination. Fine. So it totally depends upon you how you are going to do that, because the time will be allotted accordingly. I have already told you that maximum timing should be given for mathematics and reasoning, quite less for English, and mock test is very important that you will give on the daily basis. And it will be best that you start your day with mathematics, reasoning and English and end up your day with the test. And again, on the next day you will follow the same routine. The thing is that from this you will get a confidence that yeah, I have practiced each and everything. Fine. So this is the 28 days plan, so that you will be able to cover up each and every topic. And yeah, if you think that this topic I'll not be able to cover up, or I'll not be able to do this in a single day, please do not go through that topic, because in these days nothing new is to be done. Fine. So this planning was for all the students who have already planned their studies and already been studying. This is only for the 28 days where you can practice each and everything, so that you will go in the examination center with the full confidence. But yeah, keep on making notes also. This is very important. Please keep on making notes, so that on 29th day or 30th day you will be able to easily revise each and everything. Fine. So it was the plan of 28 days. Now you can go through our app, that is our Entri.app. You'll get it from the Play Store. Please go there and download it, so that you will be able to get each and everything that is required, no matter it is the mock test or it is the crash course. We are also giving the crash course where you can attempt different questions, where faculties are providing the best material for the examination. You can follow from there, and in case you have any doubt, please, comment section is available for you. Even on the Entri application, where we have provided a section for the students where you can comment, where teachers or all the experienced faculties would help you out. Fine. So download the Entri application, and in case you face any problem, please let us know in the comment section. Now, kindly like this video, comment as much as you can, and share as much as possible, so that we can keep on giving our best for you and get the maximum result out from you. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.